Disclaimer. This meal plan is for general informational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any dietary changes. What I wish I knew about planning allergy-friendly meals. It's not always easy, as I have been led to believe. I have tried to make this as a simple guide. Let's dive into week 2, day 8 of your allergy-friendly meal plan. Here's what you'll need for the next 7 days. For veggies, grab 2 packs of mixed greens, 6 bell peppers, 4 avocados, 3 bags of carrots, 4 cucumbers, 1 bag spinach, 2 heads of broccoli, a bag of potatoes, onions and 3 tomatoes. Need fruits? Stock up on 4 apples, 2 lemons, 3 bananas, a pack of frozen berries, 4 oranges and 3 limes. Protein time. Get 12 eggs, chicken breasts, beef mince, vegan sausages and ground turkey. For grains, you'll need gluten-free oats, wraps, pasta and bread. Dairy alternatives? Oat milk and vegan cheese have got you covered. Pantry essentials include olive oil, coconut oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, cinnamon, gluten-free flour and vegetable broth. Finally, don't forget tahini, apple cider vinegar and chia seeds for an extra kick. There you have it. A week of delicious allergy-friendly meals awaits. Enjoy!